Every time you swallow, something remarkable happens. Food moves toward your stomach. But how does it avoid your lungs?
It starts right here in your mouth. Your teeth break the food down. Your tongue mixes it with saliva and prepares it to move. Once the food is ready, your tongue takes control. It pushes the food toward the back of your mouth. And now the swallowing process begins. Your swallowing reflex is triggered. Several muscles now begin working together. Now the food reaches a critical crossroads. One pathway carries air to your lungs. The other carries food toward your stomach.
So your airway needs protection. During swallowing, structures around it move into position. This helps keep food away from your lungs.
One important structure is the epiglottis. It helps cover the entrance to the airway during swallowing. That redirects the food toward the safer pathway.
With the airway protected, the food moves backward. It enters the esophagus. And now another mechanism takes over.
The esophagus doesn't simply let food fall. Its muscles squeeze behind the food. This creates a wave that pushes it downward. This wave is called peristalsis. It moves down the esophagus in sequence, so the food keeps traveling toward the stomach. As one section contracts, the next one takes over. The movement continues downward until the food reaches the lower end of the esophagus.
Below the esophagus is your stomach, but it still has one final barrier to pass.
A muscular ring controls this entrance. It opens to let food into the stomach. Then it closes behind it.
That closure has an important job. It helps keep stomach contents from moving backward. But what happens when that barrier doesn't work properly?
Sometimes stomach contents can move back upward. This is called acid reflux. The sensitive esophagus can then become irritated.
That irritation can create a burning feeling. This sensation is commonly called heartburn. So the discomfort can actually begin in the esophagus.
But what if food approaches the airway instead? Your body has another defense, coughing. It can help clear material that enters the wrong direction. So swallowing isn't one simple movement. Your tongue, throat, airway, and esophagus must coordinate. One perfectly timed sequence moves the food forward.
Think about what just happened. Food started in your mouth and traveled through your throat. Then your esophagus delivered it to your stomach.
And that's how swallowing protects your airway while moving food forward. Next, the stomach takes over the process. But what happens to that food once it gets inside?
But this is where another incredible process begins. What do you think happens next?